When I first came across electrical engineering, I really enjoyed the math side of it, and it's a good industry to get into. I'm Ellis. I'm currently studying electrical engineering at Edge Hill University. Electrical engineering provides a wide spectrum of different industries that students can go into, such as aerospace engineering, the automotive industry and telecommunications. We sign up to the Institute of Engineering and Technology, the IET. If two people go for a job, one person's part of the IET, the person with the IET will get the job. Throughout the course we were trained within the electrical engineering principles. Through access to the labs you were provided with space to develop key skills. In the engineering laboratory you can have access to the equipment such as the oscilloscope, DC power supply, the multimeter. Within the computer labs you can have access to the SolidWorks and the MATLAB. The careers team provide insights into work placements, part-time jobs with industrial placements. My favourite place on campus is the various cafes. Another one is the library. It's open 24 hours. Working within the module of professional practice has improved my communication skills and has made me more confident working within teams. This university has a lovely campus. Everything's in one place. It's like its own village. My advice to someone who's coming to Edge Hill University would be to look at the different societies that are provided here and get involved in them as soon as possible.